All right, so the last thing I think I was saying was, let reality meld itself to you. So rather than molding yourself to reality, let reality mold itself to you. Or, you know, kind of the Steve Jobs reality distortion field that Walter Isaacson talks about in his biography of Steve Jobs. You as a creator, you as an innovator, as an entrepreneur, you have the power to mold reality to your own image. So people weren't crazy, cool like Kanye or Steve Jobs or Elon Musk and so forth. Certainly greatness would not be achievable. And so my thought on entrepreneurship is, he or she who is maximally stubborn, rigid, and almost kind of like a mini tyrant in their aesthetic, artistic, entrepreneurial business mindset is probably gonna be the one who gets the most extreme success. Now, the tricky thing is, let's say, you know, you pick up an aberrant hobby like extreme couponing, right? And you want to be the first extreme couponing billionaire. And you have like very strong principles on X, Y, and Z. You know, just because you're the most intelligent person in the world and you try so hard and whatever, it doesn't mean you'll be successful. But if you do succeed, you'll succeed on a far grander scale and limit and degree than if you just aim too low and you caught it. And I think there's a quote of I don't know, Michelangelo, Raphael, one of those dudes, who said something like, the greatest tragedy is when you set your goals too low and you hit it. It's like, my thought is, it's better to set your goals insanely high and fail than set them too low and succeed. So my best thought towards the way to success is, only pursue things you are truly believing in and truly committed to, and work with it with all your passion, vigor, strength, ingenuity, and hustle. Because if you truly do believe in it, you're going to have the tenaciousness and the audacity and the strength and the brazenness to actually achieve it. So like even Nietzsche says something like, for every man who has his why, he could discover any how, which means if you know the why of your life, so why you do X, Y, and Z, you'll figure out a how, or you'll discover a means how to achieve it. And I'm the one who believes in the strength of the human intellect, the human spirit. You know, I'm kind of a huge advocate of humanity. I think humanity has the potential to achieve insanely great things. A lot of people tend to denigrate humanity and think that, like, you know, humans are stupid and basic and bad and blah blah. But no, I think maybe we humans, we're just not given the encouragement or the opportunity to pursue things we truly do care about. So if you just apply all your strength, all your dedication, all your devotion to things you truly do care about, I think you could achieve truly great things.